Likewise, every good tree bears good fruit, but a bad tree bears bad fruit. Matthew chapter 7, verses 17. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, I want to share this amazing Sobolo recipes. There are a few Sobolo recipes shared, but this has to be my best one yet. It was so good, very well balanced, not too strong with the spice and stuff, and it's just the best refreshing Sobolo you could ever make. So please be sure to stay tuned, especially if you want to make it for commercial purposes. This is the recipe for you. Save it, save it, save it, and you're going to thank me later. Let's get right into it, fam. So to begin with, I am going to go through the ingredients with you. I have my hibiscus leaves. It's dried, very, very dried, if I can say that. I also have some selected favorite fruits of mine. I have some apples, pineapple. I also have some oranges and a little bit of the spices lime. Today I had some cloves, some black peppercorns, and some dried peppers, okay, and a little touch of ginger as well. So to begin with, I'll go ahead and wash my hibiscus leaf. It is very, very dry, so it is very important to wash it, and also it comes with a little bit of sand, so you just want to make sure you're washing it very well. After washing it for about 3 times, I'll then go ahead and soak it for about 30 minutes to an hour. And while waiting, I'll then go ahead and prep all my fruit. For the fruit, you can definitely use any of your favorite fruits. I love me some pineapples, and I love using this because I don't normally throw anything away. I just go ahead and cut off the crown and the core as well. And I also peel off the skin as well. Every single part of this pineapple is very well needed, and so it is my number one go-to fruit. It is packed with antioxidants, and it also comes with lots of benefits, especially for inflammatory purposes. The weather is very cold here, so you need something that is going to boost all these parts up. Okay, so I'm going to cut the pineapple into smaller pieces. These pineapple were so sweet. I enjoyed it so much. It has great aroma. So I'm going to cut it into pieces like this, and for the rest of the part, I'm going to wash it very well first and then throw it in my pot. And this sobolo has also been rested for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to also go ahead and put everything together. Please do not discard the water you soaked your sobolo in. It is so good, but it has a lot of sand, as you can see. So you just want to make sure that you're using a sieve just to make sure that the sand and all the particles we do not want in our drink end up getting into our pot. Okay. So I'll go ahead and fill the pot with enough water. I filled it with about 3 cups of water, and then went in with all my spices, my dried pepper, my cloves, and black peppercorns. Okay, and just in case you missed all the ingredients, I'm going to list it below in the description box with it right quantity. So while waiting for our sobolo to be ready, now let's go ahead and prep the rest of the fruit. I'm beginning with my orange. You can use, again, any form of fruit that you prefer. I love those with extra juices, and also the ones that has lots of vitamin C's, like the apples and oranges. Okay, if you love some strawberries, blueberries, and stuff like that, definitely you can also add it here. It is so good. Make it exotic as possible. All right, so first your pocket will permit you. Go for it, sis. Go for it, bro. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut my ginger as well. I use about 1 thumb size of ginger. You do not want to overuse your ginger and all the spices, okay? It gets a little bit overwhelming in the mouth. All right, so don't also bother peeling off the skin of the ginger. It is also great for this recipe. Okay, so continue chopping everything, and once you're done, put it in your blender or your juicer and then juice everything out. All this deliciousness, juice them out. I'll be using my blender today, and I added 2 cups of drinking water, covered it and blended it smoothly. I wanted to get enough juices as possible. So here in my nutmeg bag, I'm going to now go ahead and strain the juices from the pulp of all the fruit. And this juice was so refreshing on itself. It was so good. I really forgot why I have not even planned to combine pineapples, apples and oranges as my fruit juice choice. It is so good. The combination was everything. For this winter, you could go ahead and make this on its own and it would be great. Okay, so after using my nutmeg bag to sieve it, I just went ahead to use my ordinary sieve to just go ahead and do it for the second time. And there you have it. Look at that beautiful color. It is so refreshing and packed with great vitamin C, as you can see. Very great. And our Sobolo has been also boiling for the last 20 minutes, and I think we are done with this. I'm going to go ahead and just lower it, allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes more. Just look at that beautiful pop of color. It was everything. The red color was red, honestly. So right now I'm going to go ahead and strain it at the spot because I like to add my sweetener while my Sobolo is still very hot, and I also like to have it as hot tea most of the time. Okay, so this is what we have. It is so amazing. The aroma popping up, it was so good. So today my sweetener for the day was my honey, but of course if you have sugar, you may go ahead and use it. Maple syrup, just go on with the list. It is so amazing. Just go ahead and sweeten up while it's still hot, just so that you do not have, maybe you're using sugar, you just want to make sure that you don't want it to stay at the bottom of the Sobolo. Okay, it's easier to dissolve all sweetener while you have your hot liquids. Okay, so go ahead, allow this to rest and stir. Make sure you stir very well, and there you have it. Now let's mix this fruity goodness to the Sobolo base, and we're going to now mix everything together. Now just look at that pop of color. It's everything, and the aroma of the Sobolo is what I have been missing out ever since. Fam, if you make your Sobolo this way, you're going to never go back to any way of making it. It is not too strong, especially with the spices. It is very much toned down, and it's so balanced. You kind of feel everything a little bit, and it's just so perfect. This is so far my best Sobolo recipe I've ever made yet. This recipe because you definitely need this, especially for the holiday season up and coming. It is absolutely perfect. Make this, give it out as gift, and you are going to be remembered forever. It is absolutely great, refreshing, and just so healthy. So there you have it, family. I hope you did enjoy this recipe and you're going to give it a shot. If you're making your Sobolo any other way, please try this. I am so 100% sure that you're not going to make it any other way. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.